After I was done having kids and got off my hormonal birth control, I noticed that my hair was really thin and started breaking easily. So I was looking for things to help improve it. And I found the Hair Max LaserBand 41. Now it's actually clinically proven to reverse hair loss and thinning and promote growth. It has 41 medical grade lasers that deliver light therapy directly to your follicle to stimulate the growth. The Hair Max LaserBand 41 is really easy to use. You only need 3 minutes 3 times a week. So let me show you how to use it. You can put it on to the first section and turn it on, and it will buzz like that and turn red. And every 30 seconds, it will alert you so you know to just slide it through your hair to the next region. And you'll do it 6 times to hit all the follicles. Now, it's gonna take some time because it's real hair growth, but I am so excited to see what results the Hair Max LaserBand 41 delivers for me.